To install a banner into our HD retractable banner stands, you will need an appropriate size banner, packaging tape, and a retractable banner stand. Remove the end caps from both sides of the top bar. Release the clamp. Slide the banner under the clamp and pull it all the way through. Then press down, locking the clamp. Put the end caps back onto the top bar. Line the banner over the adhesive strip. Peel off the adhesive on the banner stand leader. Attach the adhesive to the bottom of the banner. Add a layer of packaging tape to the front of the banner stand between the leader and the banner. Flip the banner stand over and tape the back of the banner and stand leader. With the banner stand upside down, pull off the right chrome plate. Flip the stand upright. With the banner attached, with one hand hold the banner and with the other pull out the pin on the right of the banner stand. The pin keeps the banner stand from retracting. Insert it to change graphics. The banner will slowly retract. All you will have to do is guide it in. Tape the pin to the inside of the right chrome plate. Replace the chrome plate and tighten the screw that holds the plate to the stand. There you have it! Fast and easy setup. With a banner facing you, take the right hand chrome plate off. Pull the banner out until you see the white leader. Insert pin, which can be found usually taped inside the chrome plate. Peel off the old banner and tape. Remove the top bar from the old banner. Repeat installation steps. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit our website.